Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get Colombia deals on DealSeek. To find Colombia deals on DealSeek, you need to follow this step. So firstly open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's this address bar. You need to type down dealseek.com and enter it. And here once you get into this interface of this DealSeek, over here there's this search bar in the top right. So you need to search Colombia, and you can also be specific products such as Columbia jacket, Columbia fleece, and simply enter it. So over here, you can find all of the products that you are searching for, and you can also filter in the results by the newest or the promo codes in the left hand side. And here you can also select promo codes only verified low price, all brands or discount. You can click onto this discount here, and you can select the minimum discount and select reset after that. And after that, you can open any of the deal over here, select a product, and that is it. This is how you can get Colombia deals on DealSeek. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.